and lesson for August 4th. And we're going to get into it here. Interesting day, and took a few trades. I wasn't feeling the greatest actually this morning, and I there were other trades that we could have taken, and I could have definitely continued to work these trades up top into our resistance level, which I usually do. But I was like, no, you know what? The day is done. I've already made a substantial amount. I'm good on that. I'm not feeling the greatest. Feel a lot better now though. So yeah, let's get into the trades and let's go over it. So the very first trade I took, it's going to be difficult to show after the fact, and it's definitely more for an upper experience level day trader to effectively execute a trade like this. And it has to do with the 20 SMA. So right when we opened up, we were bouncing around, and what I wanted, and it's kind of hard to see here, but we have the 50 and then the 20. And the way it was looking, it looks like it was going to open up right at yesterday's lows. It didn't do that. The 20 opened above, which sometimes it'll do that just because of the angle or the trend of that SMA. So it opened up really high up, and it kind of created this range. Anytime that happens, it's kind of like shit because it creates this real tight range. And you don't overly want tight ranges because you want something that you have some meat on the bone, right? It's going to play in between those ranges, and there's some points per share, right? Like you want something there. And today it was a little tight. Now it looks wider than what it opened up, but right here it was flirting with that 20 SMA. Obviously this is a 1 minute candle, so it's very difficult to tell after the fact. But the way it was playing with that 20, it's going to hold and it's going to push into this upper level, which is the previous close. And I took it, executed that trade. Absolutely beautiful on that. I was not expecting it to have this forceful push. I was originally just going to pay myself right into pre-market highs and then hold very small into that target to see if it hit it. But it ended up coming up very forcefully. Lots of big pushes, which obviously on options really spikes that premium, which is why I love these options. And locking in $5,590 on this trade. Exceptional trade. Very nice way to start. So then as it comes up into this level here, I started flirting and playing with the short and took a couple of trades in here and then right up top. So real nice on that, locking in $3,290. And again, this could have been a much bigger trade if I was feeling better and had the right mind frame just to work that trade until either it stopped me out, which it came nowhere near, or it came down. Now, I would not be expecting this. This is not a hindsight way of speaking. It's not about that big candle. I could give two shits about a big candle like that. It doesn't matter to me. But I was looking for more so of a pullback into pre-market highs. That's what I would have been having as a target. Now, it ended up coming up 100% in 1 minute. Pretty wild. And that could have been a nice one, but I don't think about shoulda, coulda, wouldas. That's for chumps. So we won't do that. But locking in $3,290 on these couple of shorts. And then here on Qs, same thing. Pops up, gets pretty close into that level, executed the trade and decided not to continue on because I was kind of watching SPY at that time. So I just locked in an additional $1,655 on that. So overall, beautiful day. Can't ask for more. Members crushed it when I asked them, how did they do? The whole chat lit up saying that they nailed the trade, and the trade that they nailed was SPY coming up into this level. It was a trade plan that we released at 9 a.m. That was our main watch. Members banked on it, and you can too. If you want to learn how to trade consistently and professionally, not like a gambler, not like, up one day, down the next, all over the place. We don't do that. It's a very specific strategy that you all can follow. We even have a risk strategy to keep you safe. And even more importantly, for some, we have a sizing strategy, which right now, as of right now, 92, and this can all be backed up. These numbers are real high and it sounds crazy, but I'm telling you, it can all be backed up. 92% of all members that participate in the Size Up program, which is included with membership, that's included, 92% are not only consistent, but they are profitable, growing their accounts consistently and profitably. Amazing. Those type of numbers do not exist elsewhere. And if they do, I would like to see them back that up, because we can absolutely back up that claim. So on that note, folks, I hope you have a wonderful evening, and we will see you tomorrow. Adios.